Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my first SNY or observer flight. So it was supposed to be 4 sectors, turn around. The hotel changed it to Manila. So it's gonna be a long flight for hours per sector. So I need to have food. So it's good if I prepare the day before, even if it's short flight, because you'll never know what you're gonna get for the next day. Rice is mine. Kuya kasi hindi pa sumabay sa flip queen. Saan si Ate Casey? Hi, let's go. Pick up time na. Hindi ko naman nakalimutan yung lashes ko ngayon. Pag-ulan na gatas. It's raining. And bagyo in Manila also. We'll see how it goes. Exciting times. Kuya Yay! Finally, signed in. And I'm flying with Brenda. Yes! I know someone from the flight. I want to cry. Nice girls, huh? Today. Kinaya today, bakit ka? Kaya pala sabi ko, ha? Bakit ako nasa 8? Bye! And that's about it for today, guys. So, ayun, nakita naman si Ate Tin. Nalutang na. Nagpunta na siya sa floor ko. Kamusta naman? Doon talaga siya sa baba. So, happy naman sa flight. Here, coming home. Let's check.